FRC fam! Again, it's Chai.
And Rap!
Happy New Year!
Grabe, Chai, 2025
I know,
na.
ang tagal na.
I hope you all had a meaningful celebration of the holidays and of welcoming this year, FRC fam.
Yes, bagong taon, bagong ako, bagong ikaw, Joe!
Nakapag-isip ka na ba ng mga New Year's resolution?
Hindi pa, pag-isipan ko after ng show.
Okay.
Oo.
Probably,
Probably after ng show kasi mag-reminisce tayo for this.
Alam mo, yan nga ang maganda before we actually think about moving forward and what we do. Ganda, medyo binabalik tanaw.
Yes.
Balik tanaw?
Yes,
binabalik tanaw
ano tayo,
natin.
down
Yung
memory
nakarating-
lane.
Oo, yung nakaraang taon. So that we can kind of gather the learnings and highlights that we've had.
Para malaman natin ano yung dadalhin natin this year,
Tama.
ano yung iwan natin
Exactly.
last year.
Not to mention, very special ang year na tong 2025 for us
Oo
Catholics
nga.
because it's the Jubilee year. So why don't we, tayo dito sa FRC Fam, sa Church Alive, look back at our 2024 episodes so that we have something to bring to this year.
Yes.
So paano natin ito
Pa-reaction
gagawin?
video tayo dito
Okay, mag-react tayo. So we'll go through yung playlist natin.
O, simulan natin sa
Simulan
first
natin
episode.
sa first episode from February ng 2024. Okay.
Entitled To Whom It May Concern.
To whom it may
Grabe.
concern.
Well, tinan mo yung
Wait
face
lang.
ko.
Wait lang. Play natin.
Okay.
Sex is good.
Hala!
Kaya pala ganun yung face mo.
Bata.
Oh my God.
Mucus na dry.
Nakakatawa tong
Grabe yung episode na
na
to. We're starting the year very strong with that episode.
Yes. So, to whom it may concern.
It's for
parang
pro-life kasi.
Pro-life, yes. It's talking about how we can manage family planning.
Yes.
And we had sino nga ba yung guest natin dito? This is Sir, ayun, si
Ayan,
Sir Ganar.
Oo, si Sir Ganar.
Rally
Sir Rally
Ganar.
Ganar.
So, yun yung tanda mo pa na yung meron pa siyang
Card.
ka-placard.
Yes, may colors yung
Oo.
card niyan. May meaning pala yun.
May meaning yun kung kailan safe ito na naman tayo.
Okay, alam mo, let's keep it this way. Hindi, yung discovery natin dyan sa episode na yan is that merong natural way of birth control.
Yes, tama.
So, if
Kasi
hindi nyo
nga,
pa napapanood,
oo. Yung church is we want to find we want to resort to more natural ways of
yes.
birth control.
Yeah. I think it was also difficult to accept the idea na, ay, meron palang birth control na acceptable sa church. Diba? So,
tama.
if you wanna know more about, that,
Yes. This
feel
is a pretty
free.
interesting episode.
Marami siyang, wow, discoveries.
Makikita niyo yung mukha ni Chai.
Masyado akong
Sa
shocked sa
lahat ng
episode na to. Pero I
mga-
suggest,
Mga bounce doon. Oo.
watch it.
Parang yeah. Sex is good.
Yeah, oh my gosh, inulit pa niya. And then the next episode natin,
Okay, sige. Next
March.
episode. So, thank you, Sir Rally Ganar, kung
For the
nanonood
new
kayo,
learnings and
for
discoveries.
the many learnings.
meron tayong
I think this was our
Lent.
Lenten special.
And rap.
Yes,
Ayan.
and we welcome you to our Lenten episode entitled
Seeing Lent through new lens.
Wow. Oh, I think ito yung Lent na trying to look at yung ano yung mga traditions talaga ng Lent and kung paano natin siya binibring into our modern.
Maganda rin talaga yung episode na yun kasi nga parang na-appropriate din yung traditions. Parang yung December episode
Tama.
natin.
Our guest here is si
Father Franz.
Father Franz. Inaalala ko yun. Si Father Franz na meron din siyang podcast. Very active on social media. Yan.
Ang ating
Sa madaling
viral-
sabi.
Sorry.
Do you remember yung pa-activity natin kay Father Franz dito? We even had the
Yung
parang
card.
placards,
Oo.
cards, mga questions about
Different,
Lent.
yung different practices,
Different
diba?
practices. Kunyari, yung mga penitensya, dapat pag ginagawa yun.
Oo, ano yung reason kung ba't ginagawa yun? To understand that, further.
Yeah. Actually, enlightening siya kasi a lot of the traditions that we do, especially sa Philippines, parang ginagawa lang natin siya.
Oo,
Kasi
nakikita lang.
yun na yung nakasanayan natin every year. Pero kulang tayo sa actually like thinking about why we do these things. So maganda tong episode na to, FRC Fam, for actually preparing even for Lent this year. Diba?
Yes, actually.
Yes, and Father Franz really explained a lot of things very well and in a very youthful way.
Mm-mm. Actually, ito yung episode na two-part siya kasi madami tayong masyadong napag-usapan in terms of like, kailan nagsimula.
Yeah.
Masyadong fruitful yung conversation. Nakuha natin lahat ng meaning for every practice. Kasi medyo madami din tayong
Parang
mga...
sayang. Nahinahan tayo mag-cut ng mga learnings from this episode. Because as I said,
Yeah.
Father Franz really explained a lot of our traditions very well.
Yeah. Actually, for me, nagulat lang ako na meron din naman pala na parang kumbaga may non-negotiables and merong negotiables dun sa mga practices. In a sense na you don't have to do every single thing every year. It's more of the commemoration and then understanding the essence of why you're supposed to be doing a certain practice.
Oo. With the understanding, ang importante sa mga traditions natin is intention. Ba't nga ba natin siya
Ginagawa. Yeah.
Grabe,
Ito,
very rich
tinan mo
to.
yung next natin. Tinan mo.
Okay, ano tong next natin?
Cute yan eh. Kasi yung title natin, Add to Heart.
Find your prayer. Yes, oo. So parang, I think this was a discussion on how each of us pray. Kasi this is a realization na a lot of young people right now, they're finding different ways to be spiritual. So parang ang tinry natin discover dito is we heard from two of our guests na mga ka-generation natin.
Yes, oo.
Ka-generation natin. Kung paano sila magdasal. Oo.
Very personal, but at the same time, I think it was also their way of opening their heart. What do you actually pray for? Yung mga youth ngayon, no, parang provided perspective. What do we pray for? How do we pray? Yun pala, habang naglalakad lang dun sa labas, biglang magdadasal, hindi mo lang alam mo, di ba?
Actually, this is a good episode if you want to start your spiritual journey again. Parang if you want ideas how to pray. Tatandaan ko, yung dalawa nating guests, si Lalik pati si GJ.
Yeah.
Very different yung ways nila. JJ. Yung baliktad ko pa yung kakabasa ko lang.
Ano sabi mo, GJ?
GJ. Di mo rin napansin.
Hindi ko napansin.
Tanda ko nga yung guest natin for this episode, si Lalik, pati si JG, na sobrang different ng ways of prayer nila.
Yeah.
Lalik was the more, parang if I were to put it simply, parang OA versus nonchalant yung episode natin na to. Kasi si Lalik yung very deep in prayer, emotional, and expressive.
Meron siyang parang
may routine.
May routine yung
prayer
dasal
routine
niya.
siya talaga. Whereas si JG is more of the contemplative.
Yeah.
Very Jesuit style.
Yeah.
Alam mo yan. Alam natin yan.
Alam natin yan. Ang dami din natin bloopers dito eh. Fun din ng episode na
masaya to kasi nga we were on the same wavelength.
Oo. So yung mga jokes natin, yung ganyan. Experiences also.
So if there's anything that I learned here, if you want to learn more about spiritual journey, maganda rin yung parang ka-peers mo rin yung tinitingnan mo.
Yeah.
Peers na who are quite at least experienced on the spiritual side na para mas ma-appreciate mo kung paano sila nagdadasal kasi mas relatable.
Yeah.
Parang ganun.
Important yung who you surround yourself with.
Yeah. Okay. Add to heart na yan.
Add to heart yung episode na yan. Next. Mission Possible.
Mission Possible. I think this was an episode on finding your purpose, finding your calling. And big time yung guest natin dito, si Monsignor Bonglo.
Very big time tayo dyan.
Grabe, ito yung gulat na gulat ako na ang tanda na niya.
Yes, yung late siya tanda na niya.
Hindi, kasi very youthful
Hindi, yung
si
vibe.
Father.
The vibe is very giving.
Tapos,
Father,
oh my gosh, Father, senior citizen ka na. Tapos tatawanan niya lang.
Tsaka even yung conversation natin dito, maganda. Kasi naintindihan natin paano din yung journey niya, yung personal journey niya, paano siya lumaki, kung paano siya na-lead dun sa vocation niya as being a Monsignor.
Yes, yun yung shinare nga niya, kung paano siya tinawag dun sa vocation
Which alludes, kasi yung next episode natin dyan, ito yung first ever nating mukbang. So, busog na busog tayo dyan.
Speaking of vocation, this was a vocation special, supposedly. So parang when we were thinking about this episode, gusto lang namin na medyo ano bang term doon?
Siguro i-humanize.
Humanize.
Yeah, i-humanize yung
priests and nuns natin by having more interactions with them. So, what better way than to feast with them.
Yes.
So this episode was entitled Feast Be With You.
Yes kayo kay God.
Our first ever mukbang
Yes,
episode.
oh my gosh, memorable to.
Memorable to. Na-enjoy ko to.
Ito yun eh. Did you ever imagine makikipagmukbang ka with a father and a
No.
father and a sister?
Never. That
Diba?
was such an
I think that's
interesting
the highlight.
experience. Oo. Tapos nakakatuwa kasi paglapag pa lang ng pagkain, di ba nagsimula na tayo?
Oh.
Si sister, grabe, sobrang acts of service talaga. Like, siya na mismo yung nag-serve sa aming lahat.
Tsaka nagbalat pa siya.
Oo nga, kasi seafood boil pala yung
Oo.
food natin dito.
Pero maganda lang kasi we're able to kind of talk to them both in a more casual setting. I feel like, kahit si sister, yung mga joke niyo, may mga pogi din daw pare. Yung mga ganyan. So, it's
Kasi
just,
ganun naman talaga yung experience
like,
nila.
totoo yun, mga sa kanila. Pwede rin naman mag-crush, nagkaka-crush din. Like,
Ah.
tao rin sila.
Yun
So,
talaga
I
yung
think-
tumatak sa'yo,
Oo,
Chai.
sorry, yun yung tumatak sa akin. Sorry, sister. But really, like, it's
Yes.
just getting to the essence that they're also humans. You can approach them. It just, effort
Yeah.
lang. Like, just reach out, tapos makakausap mo naman sila. Ang cute ng episode natin.
Tapos, samantalang kami ni Father Franz bilang nasa dulo at mga
Kain lang
simpleng
kayo ng
tao, kain lang kami ng kain.
Busog ka
Sobrang
na.
na-enjoy lang. Busog na busog
Busog
ako.
ka.
Makikita niyo sa episode na yun, pinagpapasa-pasa nila yung pagkain
Sa kanya na pupunta lang.
sa akin. Kumain lang ako halos dito.
Fun
This was a very fun episode.
Very memorable.
Kung gusto niyo ng close encounter with our priests and nuns, this was very interesting.
Watch
Cute pa
this.
naka-apron pa si
Oo.
sister nun, di ba? Para hindi maano yung habit.
Nagdasal pa tayo before tayo magmukbang.
Cute! Oo nga.
Saan ka nakakita?
Saan ka nakakita? Nag-bless sa Soul Lord bago
diba?
magmukbang. Siyempre, dito lang sa Church Alive.
FRC.
Ayun, ang cute nga. Tumatawa-tawa lang tayo. Iba talaga yung nagagawa pag may pagkain.
Oo.
Parang mas nagbaband lang talaga yung mga tao. Ay, natawa. Okay.
Tawa.
Next episode natin. Ito. Interesting din tong episode na to.
Ayan yung single Catholics natin. We were able to guess two single Catholics.
The single Catholics
Oo.
and where to find them.
Yes, kasi ang point nito, hindi naman siya dating show. Pero, I
Munti
mean,
ka
in
na.
a real life setting, kailangan, I mean, it's also, paano ko ba?
I think among Catholics kasi, a growing hindi naman
Scarcity.
problem, pero parang challenge for a lot of the younger ones right now is kung ako Katoliko, gusto ko rin makahanap ng same beliefs and faith as me.
Oo.
Saan ako makakahanap ng ganung
Yes.
partner or relationship? Kasi sa mundo natin ngayon, medyo magulo.
Tsaka di mo rin alam how does that come up in like a normal dating setup.
Tama.
Right? Like, do you ask someone like, are you Catholic?
Hindi naman siya
Before
usual
we
na
date,
faith,
like, are you
diba?
Catholic? Do you pray to the same God? Mga gano'n.
Oo.
Parang, di ba? So, in that episode, actually, medyo fun siya. Kasi, nakikita natin, merong may dating app ang mga Catholics.
Oo,
Nalaman
actually,
natin, di ba?
First time ko narinig
So,
yun.
may ganun na reality. And then, even just the conversation, how you get to the point of asking the person na, same ba tayo ng
Yes,
religion?
paano nangyayari yung
Oo.
dynamics na raising up faith in the context of relationships.
Yes.
And also, I think yung key takeaway dito is being in communities of the same mind and
Yes.
same heart.
Yes.
Kasi kung yun yung hinahanap mo, hanap ka ng mga ganong group na same ng belief as you.
Yes. Yes. Tawang-tawa na naman
Oo
tayo
nga,
dyan sa
so,
episode
I am,
na yan.
kasi pagkaka-introduce natin dyan, single Catholics din.
Yeah.
No. Interesting. Okay.
Ayan
So, from single Catholic, ito favorite
Ay,
episode ko
nako,
yung
hindi ko
susunod.
to favorite na episode.
Favorite episode.
FRC, fam.
Susunod.
Oh my
Heartaches
goodness.
one-on-one with Father Herbie Sanz. First solo flight episode again ni Chai.
Solo
In a
flight
while.
in a while, tas live pa, tas biglaan pa. Ano ba naman? Ako yung na-heartbreak ng episode na to.
Pero I believe this is a well-received episode.
Ay, sige
Ano yung
lang.
naging experience mo
Sige.
dito with Father Herbie?
Honestly, it was a good conversation because of Father. Na-appreciate ko and super interesting kasi to hear yung stories ni Father Herbie din na he's coming from like corporate world tapos nagkaroon siya ng journey, nagkaroon siya ng calling and then naging parish.
Very unusual kasi yung story din ni Father.
Yes, first time ko makarinig na, like, as in, nagpumasok talaga siya ng office for 10 years, if I remember it correctly. Tapos, I think 8 years ago lang siya naging pare.
Wow.
So,
Very
kakaiba yung experience na yun.
Sa mga nag-work ngayon, hindi pa too late. Baka tawagin kayo.
Nagtawag ka na
Chai,
naman.
hindi pa too late.
Sigilan.
Pero nga, sorry, FRC fam, di ako nakasama sa episode na ito. But, ayun, kinaya naman ni Chai.
Hindi nakakatuwa.
Oo.
But okay lang. Forgiven na siya. Forgiven na siya.
Yes. Okay, next episode.
Ayan, ito. Oh my gosh. Itong next episode na to, nag-opening number si Rap, maybe this time. Interesting tong episode na to, honestly. Ayan,
Maybe
yun
this
na
time.
naman. Sige.
Yes. Maybe this time yung title nito. Bakit nga? Maybe this time?
Question mark?
Question mark? Kasi this was talking about a second chance
In
to
love.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Ang lakas mga hello love again. Wow.
Mm-mm.
Very teleserye yung...
Set up, no?
Oo.
Yung love story
yung narinig
din.
nating story dito. It was a couple who were both previously married.
Yeah.
And then, one way or another, they found themselves together.
And later pa in life, like 40s.
Yes. And I think ito, talking about one of the biggest realities din sa mundo natin ngayon, which is mga blended families. How they work, ano yung
Yes.
dynamics nila, raising up children in faith, etc. etc. Kasi I believe, magkaiba pa ng denomination yung
Kids.
couple din na ito, di ba? Di ba?
Magkaiba tayo.
Hindi.
Oo,
Di, tama,
tama,
di ba?
tama.
I think yung kids din,
Oo.
by virtue of like their parents.
Even yung standpoint magkaiba kasi
Yeah.
'di ba yung sa dad side mas reserved yung kids about
Tama.
having a relationship kasi
Oo.
the mom passed away and then kabilang side naman very sige na mag-date ka na please, 'di ba?
Tanda ko nga si Tito dito, sobrang tawa lang siya ng tawa kasi parang nilihim niya the whole time sa mga anak niya.
Nalaman na lang kakasal na
Oo,
sila.
nalaman na lang kakasal
So
sila.
interesting to, very
Very
teleserye.
teleserye moment talaga. But it was so heartwarming just to see them together. Na
Tsaka
parang
nakikita
so
mo yung
full of
love
life
eh.
again.
Yeah.
Oo. Si Tito na widowed. Tama.
Ito, alam ko to, favorite mo tong
Ano
next
yan?
episode natin.
Ito na, sa
Ito.
next na ba tayo?
Ayan na.
Oh!
Ayun na. Yan yung episode
Tsaka,
na
one of my favorite titles.
Oo.
Ang cute ng title
cute
nito.
nga yan.
So this was our first outside studio shoot
Yes.
na face-to-face.
Tsaka first din na hindi tao yung guest lang natin.
Tama. First tayo nagkaroon ng alien na guest. Na joke lang. Ang mga guest natin dito, mga fur babies ng mga
Fur fathers.
fur fathers natin.
Yes.
So this was Tales of Our Fur Fathers.
very
So we
cute.
visited yung mga father na kilala natin na may mga inaalagaang mga
Yes,
aso.
we had 2 different shoot areas.
Yes, locations.
Locations.
Yes. We went to St. Peter Parish, Shrine of Leaders in Commonwealth,
Yes.
where we met with Father Alan. And yung mga malalaki niyang aso na, ilan nga ba yun?
40.
Mga ganun.
Parang ganun,
Grabe.
sobrang dami.
Like, all big dogs, mga huskies, mga malamutes.
Malamute.
Tapos na-meet natin sila. And
Oo.
si Aslan, I
Si
remember.
super
very,
cute.
very
Very
cute
behaved.
and very behaved. Very showbiz dog.
Oo. Pang display.
Oo.
And then we went back to the studio naman for Father Ricky.
Yes.
Tapos may mga corgis tayo dito.
Yeah, it was si Snow and si Kian.
Yes.
Nabuhat-buhat lang natin.
Oo.
Lagi
Siya nga yung-
na-distract na
kasama
naman
natin
ako.
sa opening pa.
Oo nga, ito yun.
It's very cute. It's just, I mean, all of us for sure, FRC fam, din na-enjoy yung episode kasi full of cuteness siya. But in reality, it's also nice to see our priests, no, na they actually have, their pets also, like, a different life apart from being just, what we see on, like, the churches when they do mass, or, like, when we relate to them. Now, we also have another way of relating to them, like, they're also for parents, so it's
Yeah.
really cute.
Oo. Parang ang general story dito is the dogs are given to them or they got the dogs. And then parang it's another channel of their love for the Lord. Dito naman china-channel nila sa mga creation ng ni Lord itong mga aso ito.
Oh, very
This was a special for Saint Francis of
Yes.
Assisi. Patron saint of animals.
Oh,
Very cute naman.
Very
I
cute.
think good reminder din siya sa atin na it's good to remember that we're stewards of creation, of animals, of our environment, of
Yes.
nature, na part din siya dapat ng minamahal at pinapangalagaan natin.
Yeah, and we should be also responsible pet owners, honestly.
Yes.
They're not display, okay?
Yeah. And they're not replacements for babies also. I think that Father
also
made a
another-
point about that. Na importante pa rin, syempre.
Baby pa rin sila. Pero
having
syempre,
baby.
iba pa rin yung baby na totoong tao.
Yes.
And then, we
our
ended...
last episode.
Oo, ito, in-end
For-
natin yung year
Yes.
with a very luscious.
Wow, luscious.
Noche
Parang luscious.
Buena.
Noche Buena. So we had Noche Buena through time, Pasko, pamilya, pagsasama-sama.
Pero pagkain yung sinabi mo nun,
Oo.
naalala mo.
Kasi may pagkain talaga
Meron
din
naman
tayo.
talaga.
It was our second mukbang episode. Parang nawiwili na tayo sa first.
Parang
gusto
siguro this
natin
coming year,
kumakain
every month,
palagi,
siguro
no?
mukbang na lang.
Parang pwedeng ganun-ganun. So, this episode is quite special also to us kasi ang guest natin is of course our dear families.
Ako hindi masyadong special.
Talaga.
Sorry,
Kita naman natin
Joke
close
lang,
talaga
joke.
sila ng kapatid
Oo,
niya. no?
hindi,
Actually, ako nakita ko yun. Sobrang close
Hindi,
niyo
close
ni
talaga
Charles.
namin.
Charles yun eh.
Actually, siya yung male counterpart ko.
Okay. Nakita ko na yung dynamics niya. Nakakatawa.
Hindi naman masyado.
And ako yung kasama kong guest is my
Your
mom,
of course, Tita Grace. Hi, Tita Grace.
Yes. So marami siyang na-share din about how she remembered us celebrating Noche Buena from when we were little.
Yes.
And to how that changed to right
Through
now
time.
na adults na rin kaming mga magkakapatid.
Yes. Actually, maganda yun kasi napakita din natin how, although through time, nagbabago yung different traditions, Christmas, things that we do, pero yung essence niya, nandun pa rin talaga
Dapat
through time.
same pa rin.
Oo, yung bonding with the family, yung pagsasama-sama
Pagsasama-sama.
over pagkain.
Over pagkain,
Oo, syempre,
yes.
hindi mawawala.
While celebrating, of course, the reason for the season, which is yung birthday ni Jesus.
Of course.
yun.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jesus! Yeah.
But grabe.
Napaka-eventful ng 2024 natin sa Church
And
Alive.
every time na ginagawa natin to, I still get surprised na ang dami pa rin nagiging bago nating pinag-usapan every year. No?
There's just a lot to talk about, especially when we want to like kind of revive our appreciation of our faith, making the church alive, as this segment suggests.
Of course.
So, you can expect, FRC fam, that for this year, mas marami pa kayong makikitang bago. Marami pa tayong perspectives na maririnig. And even now, if you have suggestions, things that you want to see,
please.
mga gusto niyong pagawa sa amin, baka hindi lang mukbang.
Oo, baka meron kayo ibang
Baka-
ideas, let us know.
Comment lang kayo dyan, FRC fam, because of course, kasama kayo dito sa aming journey as we
Yes.
rediscover our faith.
Yes, tama ka dyan, Rap. And to our FRC fam na hindi napapagod manood ng episodes, sama niyo pa yung iba yung mga family
Tama.
members.
Fam nga, di ba? Dapat
Kaya nga,
na,
oo, madami tayo dito.
Sama-sama tayo.
Oo. To our viewers, our FRC fam, thank you. Thank you for always being with us in every single episode. Again, as Rap would say, diba? Parang, if meron kayong gusto pang makita, topics na gustong pag-usapan, or maybe you even want to volunteer to be our guest, we would love to hear from you.
Tama.
Diba?
Oo, abangan
Para
namin
naman.
yan. Lalo na again, this year is a very special year for us. 2025 is the Jubilee celebration of the Catholic Church. And this happens just every 25 years.
Tagal nun.
Okay, so very special itong year na to. So makaka-expect kayo na marami tayong mga pag-uusapan about how we can make the most out of this year of faith. Especially na yung pinaka-theme natin ngayon is on Pilgrims of Hope. Maraming mga available na blessings ang meron sa Catholic Church, and so to how to avail of those, pag-usapan natin yan this year.
Yes,
FRC
ayan.
fam. Yes.
Thank you again, FRC fam. And wag
Exciting!
kayong magsasawang samahan kami.
Yes. Thank
Okay.
you so much.
Again, it's Chai.
And Rap. Naabangan kayo this 2025. But also, who leave you with the wise words of Venerable Patrick Peyton that
The family that prays together stays together.
and the world at prayer is a world at peace.
Bye!
Happy Jubilee!
Happy New Year!